So we'll let these guys eat, get a little bit of free ranging in while I'm out here, because we gotta be moving the sheep. They are in the sunlight. I moved them over here yesterday evening so they could eat a bunch of clover. Got a ton of clover patches in this little area right here, so they've been chowing down on those. But we're gonna move them into the shade so they have a little bit more shade. I should probably turn it off first. Okay. No, it didn't shock me. I got lucky. I was just touching the right stuff. Okay. Untie this. And you grab this side. And then you just watch what I do. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna come over here to the next one. You're gonna go to your next one over there. There you go. And then pick that one up. Yep, just like that. And go to the next one. Yep, now you got it. Pick that up. Good job. We just keep going around like that. We're gonna flip it, and then we'll move their home, and then we'll have to move them inside because they're just gonna kind of free range for just a second here. But they don't usually go too far as long as there's lots of grass they can eat. All right, so we'll leave these two here, and then we'll start going like this. Pulling this way. And we're just basically reversing the fence, you know what I'm saying? Yep, so head out that way. And then put your first stake in, like that. There you go. And then pull that one tight. We can go back and put them in better. Just get them standing up for now. I had it for 5 minutes and you've completely tangled it up.
I didn't.
Bro. Okay. Just keep walking. We'll untangle it as we go here. But we do have to connect. So we got to make sure we got enough to connect back to. So let's go this way.
You only got a little piece.
Okay, start walking.
Move the home.
Oh, I just pull it over here. It's pretty light. Okay. How in the world did you get it this tangle?
I don't know.
Okay. Grab that one. We got to make sure that flip it. Yeah, here you go. Now make sure that they touch. Make sure that it touches together. Yep. And then once you get that one in, I can pull this one. And we should be good. Here we go. You gonna tie it? Yep, pull it tight. And just like you tie your... Yep. There you go. Perfect. That'll work. Pull it tight. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now we'll just go around where it's loose, like right over here, and we'll just pull it a little bit tighter. And lay it on the ground. And I'll move this. And yep. You can actually probably leave it laying down because we're gonna have to run them back inside here. Yeah, I'm gonna move it to the shade over here. Yeah, it feels really nice in the shade, doesn't it? Okay. Now, yep, the water and electric fence and then them. She's having a heck of a time. Hey, sweetie. If you run after them, they'll get scared and they'll just start running. So just calmly and gently push them along. See, they're getting a little wild. Calmly walk towards me. You don't want to pressure them or they'll just go nuts and start running. Just calmly keep walking. There you go. Now stop. Give them some time to think here. Let me get around to this side. Come on, guys. There you go. Good. Good. Now let's put the stakes up. There you go. Yeah, that running after him, sweetie, it doesn't work very well. I know, but you've got to give them time to think. They're not very smart. So they get scared. And their answer is just to run. So you got to give them time to think. Check on. I'm glad to see that.
It's like hard grass though.
Yeah, she's starting to at least nibble on some grass.
Yeah, yeah.
That will.
I'm gonna get you some lighter grass.
That's the beginning of her getting, you know, used to eating grass instead of being on the bottle. Get her weaned off the milk.
Yeah, she doesn't like this.
Yeah, get her some more food, and then.
It had food.
Do they have water? They got plenty of water. Looks like they dumped all their food.
I know. They really like all to do that. I think they let me bring them.
Okay. See the black one. The black chick. Yep, there's the duck. She's got her little ones still. You just won't have to refill it for a little while.
I had to do that. It's like satisfying.
Okay. Well, look at him go. These guys were in the nest up there, and so today they're deciding that they're gonna fly. So that one's right there. This one came and hung out here for a second. Then he just flew up on top of the roof. So this has got a high vantage point that's safe for the time being. I don't know exactly where he went. Cannot see him. Was there just two in there?
There's three.
Oh, there's three?
One went flying this way. I don't know where he went.
Well, that one is safe for a little bit.
It's your bestie. Oh, he like, right, his neck is like a
Scrawny.
Okay.
These bigger ones are ready to pick. That was pretty fast. They grew really fast. Some of these radishes are done. Delicious. And some liquid rabbit poop. It's not really a liquid, but it's kind of just like a rabbit poop that's left out in the rain. And it's easy to mess with. Really, really high in nutrients. I'm going through here and kind of just cleaning up. So these roots are exposed, so I'm gonna go through here and just pile up some more soil around them. And they'll grow, continue to grow more roots and just have a better root structure. I'm going through here and just kind of thinning them because I want there to be a good base up and out, and then I can take some of these leaves off, but I won't mess with them too much. Basically just gonna take the suckers off and leave the fruit and stuff like this that's kind of towards the bottom. I'll take off. Just keep them growing upward to continue to produce more fruit. Yeah, did you drop some?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see them. Some good looking strawberries, huh?
Mm-hmm. I'm letting some dry, like...
Yeah, if they're not fully green, we'll just wait for another day. I'm sure these will go pretty quick.
You mean fully red?
Yeah, fully red.
Look.
That's a weird looking one, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes they grow funky, huh?
That's 7.
Still pretty good.
Oh, I found a big one. Look how giant this one is.
Oh, dude, yeah, that is a nice one.
That one's
gonna be good.
Huge.
I think you're gonna fill your cup.
Yeah, but it's not. I'll just like do some.
So we were in the farm store the other day getting chicken feed. We had a couple chicken feed bags in our cart, or on our roller. We had a nice gentleman come up and say that he had these bird seed here, but the birds weren't eating them and they were just going to waste, so he wanted to get rid of them, give them to a chicken farmer. So we will gladly take those. So I just made this little spot here, and we're gonna release the chickens, and we're gonna just let them scratch all this stuff up and just go wild with it. And we figure whatever seeds are left behind, hopefully they'll grow, and then I'll have some more plants we can throw in there for food. We gotta get them over here first. They're more worried about what's going on inside of the lamb cage. Start to hear these seeds. There they come. They all come marching one by one.